Which of the following gives a precipitate when treated with sodium hydroxide solution? A precipitate is simply an insoluble compound formed from an aqueous mixture when a reagent is added to a salt solution during qualitative analysis. For instance, when you dissolve iron 2 chloride in water, you form a solution, and you want to test for the presence of iron 2 ion. What you do is to add sodium hydroxide. What happens is that the metal in this sodium hydroxide, which is sodium, will go and displace iron here, because in the electrochemical series, sodium is higher than iron. And when that happens, we are going to have sodium chloride aqueous, and we will have iron 2 hydroxide. This iron 2 hydroxide is a solid, and it appears as a green precipitate. So whenever you see green precipitate, you now suspect that iron 2 ion is present. What you should know is that these two ions, sodium and ammonium ion, they are chemically equivalent. Sodium cannot displace sodium, and sodium cannot displace ammonium ion, except in a thermal or catalytic situation. So you check all these compounds. Anyone that has a metal sodium or ammonium ion cannot react with sodium hydroxide. As simple as that. It is aluminum chloride that will give a precipitate. Because when sodium attempts to displace ammonium ion here, it will not work. When sodium attempts to displace sodium here, it will not work. When sodium attempts to displace sodium here, it will not work. So sodium will only displace aluminum ion, which will come out as a white gelatinous precipitate.